Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I do want to discuss basically the Seafoam Jordan 4, since I did just get my pair in from sneakers, and basically these came in at the exact same time as my Craft 4s also, so you guys will be seeing separate videos on these two in the coming days. I probably will make one on the Crafts, but I'm definitely going to make one discussing these, since I know a lot of people want to see these in hand, see some more photos, kind of like a video of it, and this is the Seafoam Jordan 4. So we got the box here and all the details. I'll show you guys everything with it. So if you want more content like this, check my Instagrams, any of that down below, and don't forget, if you guys want to, you can also check out my cook group. I'll pop something up on the screen right now so you guys can see that. We hope more people cop, pairs for retail with our botters, copying items for people at retail price with the daily under market deals that I do. Don't forget, I sold this to somebody for retail. Since I hit for retail, I wasn't trying to make any money off it. Oh, and something quick I thought I'd put in right here for everybody that may already be a part of our group. Again, don't forget, you can refer your friends and get $12 per referral, so don't forget about that. You can make your membership cost less on the monthly. Just go ahead, refer a friend, and that's it. Since again, I'm always trying to help out the members in Hype Lab, so I gave this to somebody for $230, and there's always been, a bunch of undermarket SBs, other items like that you could profit off of. So if you're trying to get more items to profit off of, really kind of learn how you can up your resale game, brick links, different things like that, and just expanding your knowledge on reselling with a good community, check us out down below and go join that waitlist. And yeah, that'll really be all I need to say. We have a giveaway coming soon too, so that's another reason to join up, and an autofill too on the way, so don't miss out on that. But I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get started. So as you guys can see, I did hit a size 9W, so a pretty basic size, 7.5 men's as well. I cannot rock this size. I would just not be able to fit it. Would need at least an 11W, and I might be able to squeeze into that shoe. We'll kind of see. But this is a very clean pair in hand, just from overall what I've seen. Again, basic box, nothing really has changed about this one. It's not, kind of different like the Craft one is, where it's kind of like a gray and yellow theme, but pretty much what we got going on here. I'm gonna show you all the pair right here, show you all both of them, so just take that one out. All right, so I'm gonna set the box aside, and now we got both the pairs out the box. So right here we do have the Seafoam Jordan 4, and I kind of want to know what y'all are thinking about this colorway. Overall, the first thing I said about the shoe, I remember when I got it in, is I said I was a big fan of how this green hits with the black and white on the sneaker. I thought it was a really good, kind of colorway to choose for the summertime. Since we got that coming up, I feel like my ladies are really going to be liking these colorways, especially in those smaller sizes, since those ones are pretty undervalued right now, like right around retail. But keep in mind, this is a woman's sneaker, so I mean they're going to be looking at this as an option to wear, and anybody could rock this really. That's what I'm seeing with it. It only goes up to 12W, and that's kind of one of the sad things about it. But if they made extended sizing for this one, it would definitely do pretty solid in price. I can almost guarantee that, and the reason for that is because you just go look at some of the other Jordans, like the Jordan 4 Canyon Purple, so exact same model, that's also a women's sneaker. Just go look at the extended sizing for those. Some serious money right there. I think they're like $300, some almost $400, so I should just let you know, if they did that for this one, it'd be a very valuable sneaker. But one of the main things also about the shoe that I still want to mention is it's a great hold. Don't sell it right now. You can see right now it's lower in price because everybody is selling their pairs that they just got from sneakers, and it's going to continue to drop a little bit because again, we have sneakers drops coming up, or not sneakers drops coming up, but more stock has been landing day by day on the sneakers, so it's just going to continue to drop in price as more people sell it off. But if you just wait a little bit, wait a couple months until there's really less people selling off pairs of these, then yeah, you should be good, and you'll actually make a decent amount holding this shoe. That's kind of my thoughts on it, and at least what I would think, and the reason I think that is, again, just based off the past performance of Jordan 4s. But let me show you all some of the details, and again, just really looking at this shoe, Nike quality control is not the best. There's a couple errors on here, but it's still a very, very clean pair. Like, you go look back here at the heel, there's no errors. That's another one of my favorite parts of the shoe, is just how kind of that green Jumpman hits in kind of like the black background. If y'all see, I think it's a nice, kind of addition to the sneaker. Again, kind of matching with the colorway, since the Jumpman's green here, and also on the tongue of the sneaker, you can see the typical Jordan Flight logo. Nothing really different about that. Very basic stuff. Just, again, this is another very nice part of the shoe that I like. And I also haven't shown y'all, let me show you guys this right here, kind of the toe box details. Again, something that you guys would like to see, kind of an all-white toe box with a kind of green underlying, and I believe the stitching is also, that kind of same green, so the stitching matches, with it a little bit, so that's kind of a nice detail as well. And then also the sole of the shoe. Again, you got that gray and that green, and also a little bit of white on that shoe. So that Seafoam green with that white and gray, it all hits very, very well together. This is another nice portion of the sneaker I like. I really like the soles of Jordan 4s. I've always kind of have, because they're never like plain. There's always, you know, kind of one color, but I really like the basic style of you know, this Jordan 4, and that may be, you know, one of the reasons why some people stray away from it. Is just because it's super basic. But one of the reasons that if you're a reseller you should look into holding this one is because it is super basic. A lot of people, your average person, is just maybe going to be wanting a pair of these. Maybe somebody that isn't even you know, really into sneakers like that. So when you kind of understand that basic fact, those are the types of shoes you want to hold. It's just the ones that, you know, normal people would really get into. People that aren't like specifically you know, into like buying shoes just because, you know, it's the new one that's out. Like somebody that would see it, kind of like, for example, the big red boots. I mean, those are still definitely a good you know, resale play, because again, you've been looking at how much attention those have been getting. I mean, there's even just random people that want them, not even people that are, you know, into sneakers or anything like that. And same with these pink paisleys. I've just seen your average everyday people wanting them, and that's one of the reasons that I like this sneakers, because I've seen a lot of people that are really interested. But also, it is just such a clean colorway heading into summertime overall. Again, I feel like there's a lot of outfits I could wear you know, with this sneaker in particular. Like, I'm wearing black sweatpants in it, like black sweatpants and a white tee. This would go perfectly with it. Like, it would be as simple and as basic as that, and this would be, you know, a sneaker that would work with that outfit. So yeah, I've actually might have just found a little simple outfit for this sneaker, so might have to go get my size, since again, keep in mind, this is not my size. But this was sold to a Hype Labs member for way under market, $230. So somebody made some solid profit off this shoe, and I will be shipping that out to them. And make sure you guys check that out down below, because we have so many features for you guys. It's all on the site, so you can just kind of see it there and decide if you want to join the wait list, anything like that. But I just kind of want to know how you all are feeling about this sneaker, because again, it hits very, very well in hand, and hopefully you know, my ladies are liking this shoe as well, because it is technically, you know, a specialty for them. And there's kind of like the over you know, kind of, I guess, head view of the shoe. That's kind of how it looks. And then you can see there's like the side view, both the soles right there. Again, I've shown y'all pretty much all the details I can show, I guess, other than maybe if I give kind of like a close-up look of this colorway, just so y'all can really see how it hits in hand. That's a pretty accurate view to like how it looks, if that makes sense. Like, it is kind of like, it's not like as light of a green as you would think. It is a lighter green, but it kind of here, I'll let it focus again. It's like that's pretty much how it would appear if you were to have this one in hand. It would be like this green right here, and you can see it kind of like changes in tone a little bit on the camera, but it's not like super light as you would think. But overall, nice shoe. Also, like, there's the insole of the shoe. Again, you kind of got that all green. I think it's like a black Jumpman on the inside. Yeah, there you go. So you got the black Jumpman, and then also you got the green Jumpman right here, kind of that Seafoam green. You also got that on the sole of the sneaker, the green Jumpman, and also back here by the heel, another portion of the shoe I'm a big fan of. I'm a big fan of the heel. Again, this isn't like a super visible part of the shoe. Well, I guess it is technically, because, you know, you would see this if you were walking, and you could definitely view this part. It hits very well. Again, I love the simplicity of some of these new Jordans coming out, because those are the ones that do well, and I feel like a lot of people are rocking with these, even though they're simple. You know, these are going to be ones that, like, a couple years down the line, people are going to be like, yo, I need these. Who has these? And, you know, I'm going to remember that and be like, hey, I remember when I had retail pairs. And they're going to be like $450, $500, something crazy. Just watch. A couple years. Gotta let it play out, let it get old. So again, if you guys want to check anything down below, my Instagrams, any of that, I haven't put any up, any screen recording or anything like that up on the screen, but just, you know, go check that, you know, waitlist down below, and see, you know, our new website for the Cook Group if you guys are interested in copying more pairs, just like this one right here on the screen for retail price, getting daily under market deals, and potentially winning pairs like this for retail price, because that is another thing that we do. So if you're interested in, you know, getting those deals, learning about sourcing more sneakers, how to buy it, we can teach you how to do that. If you want to hit more pairs for retail on Nike, we can teach you about botting. We also, again, do have botters that cop people items for retail price. So there's kind of like different routes you can really take, and there's lots of different features in the group that can help you make a profit as a reseller, or just somebody trying to get more sneakers in your collection. Then hey, guess what? We can help you do that too. So that's really all I need to say. Let me know your thoughts on the sneaker, because again, very, very clean, but very, very simple, and that's sometimes what makes a nice sneaker. It doesn't have to be crazy sometimes, like these red boots. It can be basic and be good, just like the Seafoam. So that's all I'm saying right there. But I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video soon. Peace.